Welcome to the 10th class. As you all know, in order to simplify your difficulties, I am going to start some basic 10th standard mathematics sums. These sums are, as you look closely monitor the question number 1, it is use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of. First question is 135 and 225. So in order to get the HCF of these two numbers 135 and 225, we recall formula Euclid division algorithm. This formula states that A equals to BQ plus R, where A, B, Q and R are all whole numbers. You can say that. And R must be less than or equal to B. I think it is clear now. So this is the formula. You have to keep in mind this formula A equals to BQ plus R. This formula is nothing, just a replicate of what we do division. For example, if you divide 13 by 4, you will observe that 4 3s are 12 and remainder is 1. So in this particular question, A, what is A? A is 13. What is B? B is 4. Q, quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. Now from this example, we conclude that the remainder is always less than the quotient. So, now back to the question. Question number 1. We have to find the HCF of 135 and 225. First of all, as we know that 225 is greater than 135. So, we do simple division. Like 225, we put in and 135. 135 into 135 ones are 135. Because if here I put quotient 2, then we'll observe that it becomes 270, which is greater than 225. Therefore, it goes 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 carry 12. 9 3 12. Now remainder is 90. Remainder is not equals to 0. So we apply again. Now put 135 inside. 92s are 180. 180 means it is greater than 135. So 91s are 90. Now subtract this. 5, 13, 4. Here again remainder is not equals to 0. So again we put 90 in and divide. 45 2s are 90. Now remainder is 0. Now how to write this situation? Simply in Euclid form, 225 is A equals to B multiply Q, 135 multiply 1 plus remainder is 90. So R not equals to 0, we apply again. Here 135 equals to 90 multiply 1 plus remainder is 45. Again remainder is not equals to 0, we apply again. 190 equals to 45 multiply 2 plus 0. Now here in the third case, we will observe that the remainder is 0. Hence the last divisor HCF equal to 45. This is your answer. I hope you understand this question very well. Thank you.